Stop the blood clot. I'm sorry, but don't I look like I got some crazy teeth? Child, girl, you see my teeth? I could just bite a bitch like, row. Fuck you, bitch. I'd be a scary ass animal. I'll tell you right now if I had some teeth like this. But anyway, whatever. My name was Francine. I came on the spot, to drop off my new single for my mixtape. Feel me? I'm about to freestyle right now. You feel me? Like right now, I'm crazy talented. Feel me? I don't even need a beat. I could just rap. Feel me? Right? I'm like the brand new Nicki Minaj, yo. I don't gotta wear my bangs all Chinese, yo. I got the fucking swoop, feel me? Girl, bye. Alright, so I'm about to get my freestyle on right now. Yo. My name is Francine. Eat your green beans. Don't eat the corn. What your name is? My name is Francine. Green bean in the corn. Yo, you don't know me. I stay fresh as the letter P. Cause everybody knows that I'm the sheep. Cause I'm so cool, I might as well be an ice cube or icy. That's what we gonna call it 2D. Yeah, yo, I know a nigga named Penguin, his name Penguin. I know a nigga, his name is Penguin. He over there, I'm over her. But you know what? I just don't care. You jealous. And that's okay, because, you can't have my front teeth. You can't have none of this shit, girl. You can't have none of this. Right her. Honey, if you don't open up that door for that dog, let that dog in the house. Girl, let that dog in the house. Girl, let that dog in the house. Let that dog in the house. Let him in. Oh, this shit's still going.